Very warm welcome to Let's Calculate Fast. This is Manisha Gupta. In this series of Vedic math multiplication, we have started with our base method. In last video, we have discussed multiplication of numbers. Those were below the base. Link of that video is in the description box. If you have not watched that video, then first watch that to understand the concept of base method. And in this video I will tell you about an instant subtraction method, and we will also discuss two exceptions of the base method. Right, so let's start with instant method of subtraction, and its Sanskrit sutra is Nihilam Navataskaram Dasatah. In English it means that all from 9 last from 10. Right, so let's start discussing this method, and this method is useful when the number from which we want to subtract another number is a base number. Right, when one of the number is a base number, means the minuend is a base number and subtrahend is any other number, then this sutra is applicable. And what the sutra state is all from 9 last from 10, means starting from left hand side start subtracting your numbers of the subtrahend from 9. Subtract 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 8, 1, and as you reach to the rightmost digit or the last number, subtract it from 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Right, let's discuss one more example. See here, the minuend is base and subtrahend is some another number, so the sutra is applicable, means all from 9 last from 10 is applicable. In this method, starting from left hand side, we subtract our numbers from 9. Start from left, subtract 8 from 9. 9 minus 8 comes out to be 1. 9 minus 1 comes out to be 8. 9 minus 3 comes out to be 6. And as you reach to the rightmost digit or the last digit, subtract it from 10. All from 9 last from 10. All from 9 last from 10. Now let us take our last example. Here also the minuend is a base number, so this sutra is applicable. Start all from 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Reaching the last number, last from 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Right, see how quick and easy it is to apply this method, instant method of subtraction. Right, and we are going to use this method throughout in our base method. Now let us start discussing exceptions of our base method. The very first exception of base method is when digits in the right hand side answer are less than the number of zeros of the base. We have discussed this exception in last video as well. Right, so let's start discussing it once again. We want to multiply 98 by 97. Right, part your question in two parts, left hand side part and the right hand side part. On the left hand side part, write down the numbers you want to multiply, put here the base, and on the right hand side part, write down the differences or deviation of your numbers from base. Right, differences or deviation of your number from base. What is the difference of number 98 from base 100? See, one of the minuend is a base number, so all from 9 last from 10 is applicable. So what to do? Subtract all from 9. 9 minus 9, 0, no need to write, and last from 10. 10 minus 8, 2. So here comes your answer. Right, similarly in this case, start from left hand side, start subtracting from 9. 9 minus 9, 0, no need to write, and as you reach to the last number, subtract it from 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Here comes your answer. Right, easy, very easy subtraction technique. Now to find the right hand side answer, simply multiply these two numbers. 3 2s are 6. To find the left hand side, cross subtract any of the two, whichever you find easy to do. 98 minus 3 comes out to be 95. राइट, सो लेट अस डिस्कस द एक्सेप्शन. एक्सेप्शन क्या है यहाँ पर कि जो आपके राइट हैंड साइड आंसर की जो डिजिट आई हैं वो आपके नंबर ऑफ जीरोज ऑफ बेस से कम है. राइट, सो दिस इज द एक्सेप्शन एंड यू विल ऑलवेज टेक केयर ऑफ इट. सो व्हाट टू डू हियर, 100 base 100, it has 2 zeros, so the right hand side answer should always contain 2 digit. But here we are getting single digit 6. So how do you complete your digit? You will prefix your 6 with a 0 to make it a 2 digit number. So this is your final answer. 98 multiplied by 97 comes out to be 9506. This is the one of the major exception of the base method. You will always take care of it. And the second exception of the base method is digit in the right hand side answer are more than the number of zeros of the base. Here the digit of the right hand side answer was less, but here in this exception the digit will be more than the zeros of the base. So let's start discussing this method. Since we are applying base method, divide your question in two parts, the left hand side part and the right hand side part. On the left hand side part, write down the numbers you want to multiply. We have written over here. Write the base over here. These two numbers are close to base 1000, so base is 1000 here. Right, now for right hand side we have to find the difference or deviation of the number from the base. For this you need to subtract your number from the base, but some students may find it difficult. Right, so this is the time to apply this sutra. All from 9, last from 10. All from 9, and as you reach to the last, subtract it from 10. Similarly, we are also supposed to subtract this from base. To put here, all from 9, last from 10. Right, you do not you have, I am writing here only to make you understand the concept, but you don't need to write. You have to do all of these things in your mental calculations. Right, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 8 1, 10 minus 8 2. So 688 is 312 less than your base. See how quick you have find out the answer. And to find this, start subtracting. 9 minus 9 0, no need to write. 9 minus 8 1, 10 minus 8 2. So 988 is 12 less than base 1000. See how quickly you have find out the differences. To find the right hand side answer, you know, you have to simply multiply your differences. Again, this is a big multiplication and we will learn its easy method in coming videos. For now, I am telling you the answer. The answer of this multiplication is 3744. And you know that for left hand side, what you have to do, you have to cross subtract any of the two, whichever you find easy. I am choosing 688 minus 12 and it answers comes out to be 676. Right, now I have told you a number of times that your right hand side answer should always contain the number of digits equal to the number of zeros of the base. Right, but here you are getting a 4-digit number. You are getting a 4-digit number and base 1000 is having only 3 zeros. So what to do with this extra digit? To adjust this extra digit, we will add this digit to the left hand side answer. What we will do? We will add our digit to the left hand side answer and the final answer for this question comes out to be 4 4 7 6 plus 3 9 7 6. See how big answer it is, 6,79,744, and you have done this question in within few seconds of time. Right, so this is the beauty of Vedic maths. Let us discuss one more example, one more and the last example. we want to multiply 736 by 991. Both of these numbers are close to base 1000. Applying base method, divide quotient in two parts, left hand side part and the right hand side part. On right hand side part, you need to write the differences of your numbers from the base. Now to subtract 736 from base 1000 is quite a difficult task. You may find it difficult. So here is the time to apply all from 9, last from 10, because the minuend is a base number. So this method is applicable all from 9, last from 10. This is also, you have to subtract this number from a base number. So the sutra is applicable all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. 10 minus 6, 4. So 736 is 264 less than base 1000. See how quickly you have find out. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 1, 9. You have written here, right? So to find the right hand side answer, you simply need to multiply your differences, and it comes out to be 2376. I will also discuss one of the easy way to multiply such types of numbers also in our coming videos. And to find the left hand side, you will simply cross subtract any of the two, whichever you find easy, right? And it comes out to be 727. Now the right hand side answer should always contain the number of digits as per the number of zeros of the base. But here base 1000 has only 3 zeros, and your right hand side answer is getting 4 digit. So if there is a mismatch, so what will you do to adjust the extra digit? You will simply add the extra digit to your left hand side answer. So here comes your answer. 736 into 991 comes out to be 673. 7 plus 2, 9, 2, 7. So 7,29,376. Such big answer in no time. This is the beauty of Vedic maths. Okay. So solve the questions given above. If you find any doubt, do write down in the comment section below. I hope the instant subtraction method and the exceptions of the base method are clear to you. In next video, we will continue with our base method. Till then, do share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.